Okay, this is me just randomly talking. First off, I don't know why I decided to impulsively buy this workout class. Like, pay to go to the workout class, that's what I mean. I don't know if y'all know Raven. What's her name on Instagram? She's a fitness girl. But she's doing like this Ebony Fit weekend here in Orlando. And me and my friend Tansha, we bought the class to go to her workout. And I'm just like, dude, I don't even work out on Saturdays. Like, I don't even work out on Saturdays. I don't know why I did this to myself. And sis just sent me a voice audio message talking about, well, you need to get up. And I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. I don't want to do it. Ultimately. Because this girl is so tired. I'm not even tired. I just don't want to go. I just want to clean my apartment because it's Saturday. And I only have one appointment today. I was going to try to book more because I had 2 cancellations because I had COVID. But I'm going to take that as a sign and do some other things today. Like, I really want to clean up my apartment because it's been a mess for like 2 weeks because I just been on go. Side note, I really want to do another rebrand. I feel like I rebrand myself like every time I get back on YouTube. And I say get back on YouTube because I don't ever really get back. I just come and say I'm back and post like 2 videos and then I'm gone again. But I'm about to get in my bag for real. And I'm sure I said this before, so don't hold it against me. Don't hold it against me. But yes, I want to do a whole rebrand. Like, I'm rebranding my Instagram page and like the kind of content I want to create. And I say that because I've been doing a lot of inner work, y'all. Like, I have literally been doing inner freaking work. And it's reflective in how I'm acting. It's reflective in, like, I don't know. It's just reflective all around. And there's just like this visualization of the type of woman I want to be. And I'm literally stepping into her like the door is cracked. Okay, the door is cracked. And we're about to walk all the way up in our bitch. Like, hello. So that's where I'm at right now. Like, stepping into who I'm really becoming. Not even who I want to become. Who I'm becoming. Okay? Because God said this is kind of woman you're going to be. So, that's what I'm going to be. But yes, y'all. This is just random thoughts of mine. And I'm looking at my room like it's so messy. It's so messy. It's so messy. It's so messy. And I really just want to clean up. I really just want to clean the heck up. My stomach is about to growl. I need to figure out if I'm eating a little snacky snack or something before this workout class. Because I can't just go off pre-workout vibes today. I've been up for too long. To not put something on my stomach before I go to this class. But yeah, that was just my random thought for today. Because I be everywhere, and this is like what my brain does. Like, it just be going. It really be going. I'm falling over stuff. It's a mess in here. But I'm a bit upset because my grades are off. But I think I'm going to leave it on. Because, yeah, I'm going to leave it on. I don't care. But the grades, they're definitely not the same. They're definitely not the same. So I'll show y'all my outfit in a minute. Give y'all the deets, you know, where I got it from. But I'm ashy. So I got this scarf shake it out. Where's my deodorant? My gosh, I just can't believe how messy my room is. Like, everything's a freaking mess. And it's high-key giving me anxiety. Like, I cannot wait to come home and clean up later. Like, I'm about to put myself on punishment and not go nowhere today until my room is cleaned. Cause I don't think y'all get it. Like, it is a mess. It is a mess in my apartment. And I do not be living like this. I do not live like this. Okay, where's my purse? Oh no, while I'm eating this mint and I'm about to drink this. This is about to be so gross. I think this was dirty. It was. Oh my god, gross. It's gross as heck. I'm making a mess, y'all. Because I'm rushing. I'm about to spit this mint out. I'm gonna drink this right now. Y'all, I don't know what the heck is in my pre-workout. It's gross as heck. So this is my workout fit. You know, leggings from Shein. I really like these leggings. I've had them for a while. Sports bra, ASOS. Let's go. So after we left the class, we found this place called Equal Libre. They had really good food. I got a salmon wrap and a chicken salad. The vibes were hella cute here and it was just a fun vibe. Like, I will definitely be going back there. Alright guys, good morning. It is Sunday. I told you guys I wasn't vlogging the rest of the day yesterday, so we went to the pool, right? And first off, the pool is closed. So the pool said closed, and as we were walking back, we seen these people and they were like, oh, the pool's closed. And they're like, no, it's not. The pool has been closed for over a month. We always just go in. It'd be open. So we was like, okay. And we went in there with them. And the gate was indeed open. So they're jumping in the pool, blah, blah, blah. The pool's hella dirty. I'm like, that's why it's been closed for a month. So literally like 10 minutes later, the property manager comes out and is like, oh, everybody has to leave. Like literally spazzing. Sounds like she's about to cry. And yeah, so we left. And then we didn't do anything after that. So now I'm here. On my agenda today, I literally have to clean, and clean some more. Like I showed y'all yesterday what my room looks like. I didn't even show y'all my kitchen, but y'all gonna see that because I think I'll time lapse me cleaning my kitchen. But today I'm doing a shoot, a photo shoot, makeup, creative direction by moi, and I'm excited. So we're gonna do it in my apartment here. Like I'll be kind of setting up stuff. So I'm going to do the behind the scenes of, you know, that process because I think it'll be pretty cool for y'all to see. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm about to eat. I get this hot honey chicken biscuit from Wendy's. Baby, I'm not gonna lie, it's hit or miss. Sometimes I feel like the chicken is very fresh, and then sometimes I think the chicken is frozen. But when I get it and I add bacon on it, that's when I notice the chicken is like top tier. So I added bacon, I got the biscuit, and I made some coffee to get me going this morning. So that's what we're about to do. Also, I have been watching these Kehlani Blue Water Road vlogs that she's been doing, and I like them. First off, I really like the album. Second off, I like the vlogs that she's been doing with the album too. So if you haven't watched those, then you need to go watch those as well. Okay? So I'll see y'all later.
But she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from right. Guns, drugs, violence, guns, drugs, violence. Oh, won't let you go, won't let you go.
Alright, so y'all, my kitchen is nice and cleaned. We got it all cleaned up. So when I come home, I need to run some errands. But yeah, it's doing what it needs to do. finished cleaning my room. I just rushed to take a shower so I can try to eat something. But I still think I'm gonna make a shake, a protein shake, because I don't know if the salad is gonna hold me over. But y'all, I'm so excited for today. I haven't done like a real content model day like the way that I'm doing today. So I'm really gonna get into the nitty gritty of all that with y'all. Probably later. But yeah. It's so cloudy outside and it's making me a little bit upset because I'm gonna be using natural lighting. And it's gloomy. I did not even have breakfast, y'all. That little sandwich did nothing for me. And I drank so much coffee, so I think it's making me crash. Like, I feel crazy right now. I feel crazy.
So I literally did not record any footage of me taking the photos, but this is our setup. It came out really cute. This is the makeup that we did. I just inserted a little boomy and then an image of what we did. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time I know to plan better as far as shooting more behind the scenes content. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later.